Guys, I'm constantly being asked, what's the best CAD software? And it, I don't really think there is one. They all have their own advantages and disadvantages, but the best one is the one that you know how to use and you have access to. So if you're working somewhere and they have a specific CAD software they use, that's the one you should learn. If you're just a beginner, then learn one that you can afford and that you can get on whatever device you have. So if you have all you have is a Chromebook, you're pretty much going to be stuck with Onshape. I mean, not stuck with. It's pretty good. It's web-based. It doesn't have all the features that SolidWorks or Inventor has, or even Fusion has, but it has a lot. It's a good place to get started to learn the process. If you're still looking for something free, just another step up, maybe you go to Fusion. And then if you want more features, then there's SolidWorks and Inventor, and different ways to get those. There's also other free options like Tinkercad and SketchUp and FreeCAD. I don't even touch those. Those aren't real CAD. They don't have the feature set or the support to really be effective. So I stick to Fusion, Inventor, SolidWorks, and Onshape. Those are great ones to learn, depending on what skill set you need and what you have access to. If you have any questions, let me know.